My name's Sam from IEMusic. Today we're delivering one of our music industry taster days at Thetford Academy. This is with our fantastic education partner Norfolk Music Hub, as well as our industry partners Yamaha, Orange Amps and GAC.co.uk. The day starts with a breakdown in songwriting, where we explore lyrics, melodies and chord progressions before breaking out into band spaces, where we can study key elements in building song structure, as well as what makes a song successful. After lunch, we break out into a performance workshop for the students, where they can demonstrate their work, feedback to each other and gain valuable feedback from the workshop leader as well as our attending artist. Speaking of, today we're joined by the amazing Juliet. Juliet already releases music on Spotify and Apple, is headlining her own shows, has featured on BBC Radio and recently performed at Latitude Festival. So what better way to introduce our young people to the idea of a career in music?
I'm Juliet, I'm one of the resident artists here and I get to come into the schools, show the kids my music, I get to perform and spend all day writing with them, and I couldn't think of a better job to be doing personally. We teach songwriting workshops, there'll be a leader and an artist like myself. We spend the day writing songs and then we get them to perform and then I perform. It's all about encouraging kids to write, use lyrics and play together. We spent some time this morning looking at themes to start writing our lyrical ideas, and now we've formed them into verses and choruses, put them into practice rooms, and then now adding the instruments and forming the songs together.
We finished the day by bringing all of our workshop students together, plus a younger year group, to receive a full performance from our artist, raise the overall music profile within the school, and inspire the next set of Year 9s to consider music as one of their options. If you like what we do or want to hear more, then feel free to reach out or click the links below.